Restraining order denied. Freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. So restraining order denied. Freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. Your contract with the city was terminated. Freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. Adios. Adios. No restraining order. See you in court.
Assault charges. No more contract.
No more contract with Del Monte. Adios.
Coward. Coward.
It feels the same?
Not going to help your criminal case. Oh, yes, you do.
It feels the same? I hope so.
You sitting in tow truck like a vulture, lady.
It feels the
Sitting
same.
like a vulture at towing checkpoints.
So. No job, no car. Con lo de la grúa, el carro de trabajo. Él estaba agarrando los carros.
What happened?
What happened? We won.
We
Victory.
won.
All power to the people.
All power to the people.
You know what it was? Is that the restraining order he filed against you attempted to violate your First Amendment right to speech. And more importantly, personally, it was attempting to try to prevent you and your son from doing the righteous work that you guys continue to do. And I will continue to defend you against these cops, against these thugs, and these corrupt people.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah, no, you guys, it was beautiful. Beautiful victory for the people. Yeah.
Can we get a picture?
Yes. ¿Nos pueden tomar una foto? Oh, déjame darte. Let me give her my card cam. Ay, no, pues me estaba pidiendo.
Picture,
y como yo
picture.
narcisista.